today's Sunday. You caught us. We're gonna actually start doing some Dosirak videos. Dosirak means lunchbox, and Katie wants to eat by herself at work.
And then
wait until focuses. Okay, then go.
And then it has 3 floors of containers inside. 1,
1층,
2,
2층,
and 3.
3층.
Alright, so we got 3 stories. Let's fill them up.
Let's see what we come up with. I think first story some rice,
And then our main banchan.
and the third floor we can just fit up with some fruit and some other
Variations.
yeah, we've done a lot of banchan, so let's mix and match. To kick our Dosirak off, we're gonna do Osam Bulgogi. That's kind of like Korea's surf and turf.
What do you mean surf and turf?
1 part ocean, this is the surfing, and 1 part turf, the earth. Let's cut up this 1 squid, and then we have around 250 grams of samgyeopsal, which is Korean pork belly. This is the one we use for Korean barbecue. Boom. So we'll just cut this thing up.
Most people will go out to have lunch during work times, but lately I've been quite sick of eating food outside, so I decided to bring a packed lunch. But I don't know, this is kind of like something new for me, so let's see how it goes.
Squid finished, and guys, you don't have to take off the skin or anything. We want to go for speed.
So you know how all the beauty channels have this get ready with me? This is our version of get ready with me for the week.
Yeah, why not? Get ready to go to work.
Yes.
Alright guys, and next for fresh ingredients. This is what Katie's doing.
Don't catch me!
She's just eating rice.
I'm so hungry. I'm just waiting for this to be cooked.
Okay, so now that you know my sous chef doesn't do much, we're gonna flavor the oil with spring onions. So, oh, I forgot. 4-arm piece of spring onion. Forgive me. Okay, back to the regular schedule.
You're forgetting your root.
Yeah.
Where you came from.
Alright guys, and then we have 5 perilla leaves. Again, if you can't find this is fine. We're gonna just use this as garnish, but it's quite nice for spicy dishes. Take off the ends, roll it up, and then just chop. You know, you can buy these seeds from Amazon and they grow very fast, so.
Really?
Alright guys, so this one is a spicy dish, and we're gonna start off with our base. 3 tablespoons of gochugaru, that's 1, and 3 tablespoons. Soy sauce, we're gonna do 1.5 tablespoons, that's 1.5.
그거 맛있겠네?
And then 2 tablespoons. By the way guys, we've been testing out a lot of different brands for our store, and this one was really nice. I'll tell you guys later about it. We want 2 tablespoons, this is 1.
This is a real Halloween theme. This is how
Somehow Katie, your commentary makes no sense, but at the same time, I completely understand where you're coming from, so it makes sense. So I'm
This is where people were putting was the blood 그 뭐라 그래?
Alright guys, that's a lot of spice right there. 2 tablespoons of sugar, that's 1. 2. We want the sauce to thicken. So half a tablespoon to thicken. 1.5, that's 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. That's 1 and another half. And then finally, a few twists of black pepper. Mix this all up. Oh my gosh.
But usually it's not that spicy. It just looks really red, but
Yeah. When Korean spice, it's like, you know, it's like balanced. It's always balanced with a little bit of sweetness. So it's not like Indian spice. I've had some Indian spice, sent me to the moon and back.
why did you come back?
And whoops, I forgot one thing guys. We need half an onion.
If you want to use the whole onion, you can use the whole onion.
Alright, Katie wants more onions. We'll use the whole onions, no problem. What the? We'll put this here. Perfect time to bring out the cast iron. A little bit of oil.
Daniel, I hate the cast iron. It takes so long.
Yeah, but it like cooks evenly. Patience, young grasshopper. Once it's hot, let's start off with our spring onions. And then once it's doing some jigglypuff, then we can add in our pork belly pieces. Ooh, sounds great. This samgyeopsal is actually from Jeju. It's the black pig. Very delicious. And then we're gonna let it cook until it turns nice and crispy on one side. All right, it's nice and crispy. Move it around. So just on the other side.
I just want to have the samgyeopsal now.
Should we just stop here? Our onions. So now let's raise the heat to high. We're gonna add our squid over the top. And then we're gonna add this magical sauce on top. Woohoo! This sauce is on top. And then just get a big wooden spoon and then just mix it in. Mix that sauce in. Wow.
맛있겠다.
Wow, look at the smell. Just mix it in like that. Oh wow. Looks beautiful. And guys, as you can see, the squid cooks very fast. Alright guys, this looks good to me.
Wow, looks delicious. Let me try it, please.
Let's turn off the heat. At the very end, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. It helps round out that spice. And then finally, we're going to add some of our perilla leaves. I'll save a little bit for our Dosirak garnish.
Doesn't this look delicious?
There's a little bit of sesame seeds, of course. And that's it.
That looks good.
What are you up to? What is the banchan you making now?
I'm gonna make seasoned spinach.
Spinach muchim.
This one is really good. I'm gonna make like a huge bunch so that we can have it for the whole week.
Good, good, good.
We've done this recipe before. Find the link up here. Just double the recipe list if you want to make a lot.
Alright, and while Katie makes that, I'm gonna do one more banchan, which is gonna be Gyeran Mari. That's right. We're gonna crack 4 eggs. Then I have some chopped up carrots and chopped up zucchinis. 2 tablespoons of these. Alright, 2 tablespoons. That's 1 tablespoon of zucchini. And the second tablespoon. And let's not be wasteful. Forget exact measurements. Put them all in. About ½ teaspoon of salt. And yes, I've made this recipe before. So if you need a little bit more detailed instructions, go check out this link. Alright, we'll put it on a medium hot. We're gonna reduce it to a low, but get a good amount of oil in the pan. And yes, this should be a non-stick pan. Alright guys, now it's pretty hot. We're gonna reduce this back to a low. I'm gonna just use a paper towel and just wipe off a little bit of the extra. Alright, so we just get a thinly coating like that. Let's just get a little bit on. Good. And now my spatula, it's pretending to look okay, but it broke apart last week, so. But we're gonna keep it real, y'all. Start wrapping it up a little bit. Wrap it up again. Good. Slide it to the top, a little bit more oil, and then we'll add the rest, so that the new mixture becomes one with the leftover lip up there. Yes. Roll it once again. At the end parts you give to someone you don't like, right?
Daniel, show the inside.
Woo! Alright. Yeah, right there. Y'all like that, guys?
아 뜨거! Rice. Next are Osam Bulgogi in. So Daniel, where are you gonna put the 계란? I don't think we can fit a lot in there.
1. The final one, just for presentation.
Only 3?
Yeah, 3.
So sad.
Katie did a great job with the spinach here.
Oh, well done.
And next, guys, we have the cutest tomatoes in the world. They're very diverse. Diversity tomatoes.
Oh, so cute.
So these 2 you can prepare the night before. Lock these 2 up, put it in the fridge, and in the morning just get some fresh rice from your rice cooker, put it in that, and you're ready to go. Alright?
Our rest of the banchans. Alright, you're all ready to start the week and work hard.
What the? You show another family member some love by making their lunchbox, or like us, we're gonna eat this for dinner. And Katie, you know what I realized? When we were young, you know how our parents made these banchans when we were in elementary school? That's a lot of love. Huh?
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
And then that's our parents' way of showing love.